Exercise 18. Yet an exercise taken from my 7th practice set of exercises focused on SAT. This time we are talking about sample proportion. A wildlife survey recorded different species of birds in two regions. Based on this data, if region A has 45 species of songbirds out of 108 total bird species, what fraction of region A's bird species are songbirds? So, it's quite obvious. We need to convert that into a fraction. We need to convert this word context into a proportion. So we know that we have a total of 180 bird species, and out of these, 45 are songbird ones. So we have the 45 out of 180. There is clearly the same proportion as that, so here the right choice would have been C.